Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to a first look at the all-new Mercedes GLA. Now this is the second generation model, and it's very interesting that this car actually had its digital premiere. So only digital, and that's why I will tell you the first details with this official footage of Mercedes, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the proper review in the future. So this new GLA looks more like a real SUV now compared to the previous generation, which was more like a crossover, or some even say a jacked up version of the A-Class. Now this one is more than 10 centimeters taller, also 30 millimeters wider and 14 millimeters shorter. Now the car actually drives on the same platform as the new A-Class, and it offers much more space inside. Passengers at the rear will notice that, immediately when they step inside the car, and also there's more headroom for the driver and passenger. Now speaking of the design, you have a well-known Mercedes face with multi-beam LEDs on the front. You also have a diamond grille in this case because this is the AMG Line Edition 1 model, which will be available at the start of the sales. Now at the back of the car you do have a slimmer taillights, and overall I must say I do like the styling of this car. Tell me in the comments what do you think about it, and do you like this one or the previous one more, and tell me also why. Now inside you have a dual screen layout, which we saw on other Mercedes models. So two screens, each one being 10.25 inch, and this top trim, of course you can have them a bit smaller, but this one does look the best. Speaking of the engines at the start of the sales, which will be in spring next year, there will be two petrol engines available. So first one being the 163 horsepower one, and the strongest one being the 306 horsepower engine from the GLA 35 AMG. So that will be the top trim model for now. And of course some other engines, including the diesel ones, will arrive shortly after that. So there will be plenty of options to choose for the customers. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this info useful, and remember to subscribe to the channel to see the full review of this car. And that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye bye.